dili pwede nga dili to siya unbox karon dayon. No, so dapat i-unbox nila ma-try na ugma. So, yeah. What's up, aliens? It's me, Kent, and welcome back to my channel. Yes, so I just got home, and for today's video, we'll be doing an unboxing video. The unbox karon is ako ang new toy, new technology, new gadget. Basta, yeah, my dream, basta akong gusto paliton. So, without further ado, let me introduce the item that we'll be unboxing today. So yes, here it is. It's the DJI Mini 2. Focus. Yeah, that one. Here. Yes. So I just bought it kanina sa mall. And ako naging siya gi-push nga kailangan naging siya paliton kay I've been waiting for this since wala store diri sa Cagayan de Oro. So kailangan ko maghulat sa ubang store na like SM or Colors. So yeah. Or sa ni siya isa. So i-push na gid siya. And ano ba chika? Let's unbox it. So this is the DJI Mini 2 Fly More Combo. And konting ano sila ganihang butter nga. Unsa sa i-check pa na to. Ayaw kuya ka mag-unboxing ko. So nawala gid check on sa sulod. Okay, gusto na ako mag-ingan niyo. Mag-kisi. Ayaw. So yeah, let's see what's inside the box. So muna siya. Pag open nimo. Tadaan! Muna siya sulod, char lang. Yeah. Comes with a bag na siya. So here, naka-bag na siya. So muna siya sa karton. Kamot bag ko. So like, ang price dan is 29,990. So I guess the box is worth 990. Mga price of box. Okay. Come on. And then lamig. So yeah, na-display ni siya. Arig na nga naging tayo drone. Kaya like, pila na ko ka years and months na gusto magka-drone. So here is the bag. Medyo kaya kung pupupika sa kanila. Here, the DJI bag. Ka! Na po siya. Ay, medyo akong pupupika kanila. Diba? Diba? Natanggal mo dong kuko. So yeah, let's open it. Just sorry, wala nga ni sa mukha. Like here. Tada! Yes! So, here is the inside of the bag. So, na-zipper diri. Oh! First is extra propellers. Yeah, here. Screwdriver. Extra joystick. Joystick, yeah. This one. Oh, it's the remote control. Yeah, here's the remote control. Oh my god. Dapat dili siya magisi ang cellophane kay it's worth 500 pesos. Yeah. Diyan ako kukuha na. Yeah! Hey, actually, here's the remote control. And the next is this box. It says accessories. Or accessories. So let's see what's accessories. First is, yeah, we call it ulo sa charger. So here's ulo. And then next is this one. Oh, this is the battery charger. And again, ang cellophane nga worth 500 pesos. Dapat dili magising. Pero nagising siya. Here's the charger. And it comes with 2 batteries na. Okay, since Flymer combo siya. So 2 batteries. And then the cords. This one is the manual and etc. I think so. Which is eventually dili siya kabasa. But in my case, since dili ko maka-afford og palit another drone, we need to read it. Last but not the least, the drone itself. Look how small it is. Focus the drone, yeah, that one. Diba, gamay ko siya. Like, look at my phone. This is a iPhone 7 Plus. And then, and here's my drone. Oh my god. Diba? Diba? Yeah. And then, Mora? This is worth 30k. Yeah. And then, mora to siyang sulod. So, let me figure out things. Unsaon ni siya? Yeah, here. Oh my god. Oh my god. First time. Oh my god. Kadlo ko masayop kay oh my god, wala na ibalik kay. Like, this is it. Yeah. Wala na siya kagamay. Like, look at that thing going on in there. Naproblema ko kung saan ako pag-connect ako sa cellphone. Ha? Oh my god, nag-on. Hala, nauna ko siya. Naara. I think this is for my phone. Yeah. Here. Naadi ay pang iPhone. Oh my god, sorry. Wala ingani sa amo. Oh my god. Okay, so lubat ako sa camera. So yeah, that's it for this video, guys. And here it is! Sorry. Yeah, so here's the drone. Wait. Yeah, bitch. Oh my god. So that's for this video, guys. And oh my god, I can't wait to try it tomorrow. And I need to update this thing and charge everything and then figure out things. Ayan ako siya palupad. Okay, yeah, i-vlog po na ko siya tomorrow for our first flight. So that's it for this video, guys, and I hope you like it. And then ang tanasuya mo nga na ko yung Charlie. Yeah. So I'll see you tomorrow. Kaya to siya i-try. Bye-bye.